Hello friends, welcome back to Tech Earning Support YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to talk about a new, important, interesting, decentralized platform, QuartyCoin. Safe, simple, seamless, secure. QuartyCoin is a decentralized peer-to-peer protocol for safe payment and communication worldwide. QuartyCoin is already listed token. You can check all details about this coin on CoinGecko. Here you can check price and exchanges. You can check market, charts, price, all details are here. If we talk about this platform, so this is the QuartyCoin.org's website, and you can check here wallets. If you want to use this wallet, so you can download mobile wallet, web wallet also, and here are some important latest list. You can check here: mobile and web wallet, GUI wallet, paper wallet, CLI wallets. All wallets are available for this platform. Here are some important details about this platform, like its QuartyCoin ticker QWC, mining algorithm, block reward, decimals, RPC port, total supply, everything details are given here. You can check all details. Here are some important features about this platform, so must watch this. Like open source platform, QuartyCoin is a decentralized cryptocurrency based on an open source crypto node platform. Everyone can build and participate. Decentralized community. QuartyCoin is not a private company funded through an ICO or pre-mining. Development is supported by its own community. Democracy and privacy. Members can participate in important community decisions via voting. QuartyCoin is totally untrackable and anonymous. EPOW works. You can check here. Ultra fast transactions, egalitarian proof of services, all details are here. If you want to check about this environments, here are environments, like you can check partnerships, exchanges, marketplace, mining, and environments. If we talk about the listings, so these are main important listing exchanges. QuartyCoin is listed on exchanges, and in future we will see more exchanges. And here you can check roadmap. According to this roadmap, all details are here. Currency application development from 2017 by the end of 2019. All works are completed here till 2019. These are some important work from 2020 to 2022. We will see this most important further developments in future. Application development and deployment 2020 continuous work. So this is the main important roadmap of this project, and you can check all details about this platform here. QuartyCoin is an open source project for creating a decentralized digital assets like Bitcoin. It's based on crypto node technology v20. Nobody owns or control QuartyCoin except its users. It allows anonymous and trustless peer-to-peer transaction through a fair POW mining algorithm, and will implement EPOS, a new consequent algorithm concept exclusive to QWC. So all wallets are here. These are main important social media links. You can join Telegram, Facebook, Discord, Twitter. If you have any kind of confusion, you have any kind of query, you can contact on Telegram, Facebook, Twitter. Admins are active and they will help you, they will guide you. So must watch this platform. Don't miss this important, interesting platform. I hope you like this video. So thank you so much.